Welcome back. For now we are done with the welcome background and you guys know already about that. Okay, so as I told you already that in the previous video that we will use this welcome background as a child. Okay, so first I'll create a new dot file right in the welcome screen. That's the welcome folder, and let's create a dot file by the name of body, and it is going to be for the welcome screen. Okay, that's fine. So in here we will have a stateless widget right in the body for the welcome screen. So write st in here, and there we go with the suggestion. Now we will name this as a welcome body. Remove this const key, we don't need this. So delete and click on this stateless widget and import the library material.dart. So we have already made that welcome body. Now right in this we will return the welcome background. Okay, welcome background that I told you already that we will use the welcome background as a child right in the welcome body in this class. So first we will just copy that welcome body from here and go towards the welcome screen.dart. From here remove that welcome background. Okay, remove this and paste the welcome body. Okay, because first let me just import the library so the red line will be gone, then body one. Okay, remove that and all just fine. Now let's go back towards the background.dart because we're about to use this as a child. So remove those comment. Now we will scroll down and below this position right in here we will say child and put comma because we are about to use that as child right in the body.dart, as you guys can see right in here. So we will remove that container from here and we will return the welcome background. So welcome background, we will see this suggestion. Let me just write it the full name, background, that is fine. In here import the library background.dart. now we will provide the child also. Just wait, first take it down and in here we say child, and as a child we will take the single child scroll view, the widget, and right inside that we will have a child again, and then we say have the column widget, and right inside the column widget first we will set the property main axis alignment, and we will set this to center because we are about to show some text and it's going to be the name of the app. It's going to be something like OLX clone app. We will show that, so it is going to be right in the center, so that's why in here I provide that property. So let's move further. Now down in here you'll have a children, and right in the children you will have a text widget. Okay, text is down in here, let's have that name. So let's do it like OLX clone, that is fine. You will not make it a little big, the short will be good. OLX clone and put comma. Now just press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice that it's just loading. So there we go with the OLX clone. As you guys can see right in here we will provide some style for that, so it's going to be more beautiful. And if you guys didn't know how to load the app, simply come here and do how to load the app. Okay, I have already how to load the app, so there is no need of that. I just press the Ctrl S and you guys already know that. Now let's move further and do some style for that. In here style, as usual, text style, let's provide the font size first. We will make it big, so we will go with the 60.0. okay, press the Ctrl S, and that is fine. Now let's make it bold, so with the help of font weight, we will say font weight, we'll go with a bold one. In here, comma, press the Ctrl S, and you guys will just notice Ctrl S. There you go, it is bold now. Now let's provide the color. The color is already black, but let me just see colors. We will go with the gray one. Let's see how it look. I think black was fine. Yeah, we will go back towards the black, but we will go with a little dim shade, black 54. That is getting more good. That is fine. As you guys can see the result right on the screen, right in the emulator. Now let's provide the font family, so it is going to be more beautiful. So font family, and we will go with the Signatura, Signatra. That is the spelling. I hope it's fine. Yep, it's fine. Let me just see, right in the postback.yaml. Yep, it's fine. Signature, okay. Comma, write it and press the Ctrl S, and there we go, the OLX clone, and it's look more beautiful, as you guys can see. In here, add the const modifier, so the yellow line will be gone. Then just be clean. There we go, it's clean now. So right in here, right in the widget build, right inside that, let's create that sign that we just created before. Now in here also we'll create it. So let's have that made query dot of contacts and dot size, and write it and semicolon. Now scroll down, and below this text first put comma, and then we will have a size box. Let's have that height, so you'll say size, type size, jack, and height. We're gonna take 0.05%. Now put comma in here, and let's show the image now. So image.asset, we will provide the path. First let me just show you, right in the asset, open that, and right in the icons, let's open that chat png, we will show that one. Okay, so in here let's provide the path, assets slash, just right inside the icons slash, and the name is chat.png. okay, that's fine, and comma in here. Now let's provide the height in there. You will take this far down, and we say height, size dot height, and take 0.01%. 0 too small, let's go with the 0.40. that is fine. Why it's showing that error? First we have created that in here already, copy that size from here and here paste it, showing the error. Let me just see. You see the value in const list literal must be constant. Let me just check. So we have to remove that const script from here, and the error is gone now. You guys can see in here, add the const modifier to the text, not to these children, because it's going to be constant then and it will cause error. So it's fine for now, and we just provide the image.asset, that chat png, and all just good. Now just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice that chat png, the image There we go. Okay, OLX clone, and there we go with the chat image that I show you already. So basically that's it for this video, and right from the next video we will work further. So see you in the next one.